Hello and welcome to a quick guide to GippSport's online training sessions. First of all, we navigate to the GippSport website at gippsport.com.au, and on the left hand menu there we click online training. On this page we'll see some tips and helpful resources as well as the upcoming training sessions. To join a training session we need to make sure that we find the date and the time, and we can log in about half an hour before each session is due to start. We can click on the click here button to join the room, and once we click on that it'll actually start a download process. The first time that we go to this page it may actually ask us to download some script or some Java. It's okay to accept that, so it may come up with something in the middle of your screen, or it may come up with something along the top there to accept the download. In terms of adding your name here, it's your name and your first name will be suffice, and you can click on the login. You can put any name you like in there, so your first name is fine. You could put a club name or something like that. Once we've done that, it'll ask us to open a file, and it'll do this each time that we run the program or join a training session. So we click OK. Again, it'll download some Java. Again, it may come up at the top there asking for permission to download that. You certainly click on yes to any of those prompts that come up. It'll then open up in the GippSport's training room and go through a connection process and log on to the room. It may ask you the speed of your computer's at. If you're not sure, err on the lower side, because that'll dictate how much information comes to you during the process or during the training session. And this is the page. They'll load something here in a moment in the presentation screen, and a quick tour. We've just got some buttons here that we can click on to put dots. We can put circles on there. We can also do some underlining. So at times the presenter may ask you to do those things, so you can access the tools there. The first thing generally that we ask you to do once you've joined a room is to go up here to Tools, Audio, and run the audio setup wizard. That'll take you through a process of setting up your microphone and your speakers. Once you've ran that, down here you've got a control for your microphone, a control for your speakers or your headset, and to talk in the room you can press the control F2. Above that we have a chat room, and you can type messages throughout the training into here. You can click there to send it to everyone in the room, or by putting down the menu bar here you can send it to moderators or just to selected participants and click send. The box above, or the window above, we have the list of participants, and in here we have what options you've got available to you. At times the moderator will turn these things off, so you may not always have access to a microphone, webcam, chat room, application sharing, or the drawing tools. And we've also got some tools down here. If you do want to speak at any stage during the training session, click here to raise your hand. We've also got some smiley faces, some hand clapping, thumbs down, and a confused face there if we're not sure about something. At times we'll ask you to vote, and you can click the tick for yes to a vote, and obviously the cross for no. If you plan on leaving the room for any time, if you just click there to say that you're away, that'll allow the moderators to know that you're not there, and not to expect an answer from you. And that's a really quick and brief tour of the GippSport's online training room. We hope to see you in one of our sessions soon. Thank you.